Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on an Android 14 smartphone. So, firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app. That should come pre-installed with the system unless you have manually uninstalled it earlier somewhere. So for some reason anyway, never mind. So once you've made it to the Google Drive app, hit this plus icon, then select the scan option from the list, or choose to create new scan. Then grant the Google Drive app with the camera access, and simply take a photo of the document you wanted to scan. If you're satisfied with the picture, you can continue. If not, well, just retake the photo. Then the following interface allows you to edit your result. You can change its color scheme, rotate your final file 90 degrees at a time, or crop the original photo. Then hit the save button. For some reason, never mind. Then it will be brought to the Save to Drive interface. Over here, you have a chance to rename your file, change the Google account or drive folder that this file will be saved to. Then hit the save button one last time, wait for your result to be uploaded to Drive. And well, apparently my scan was lost in the transition. That's fine. I do happen to have another scan. Here it is, and that's the result that you'll get, or something in the vicinity. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.